Hi, guys,
Hello.
and welcome back. We're here with I believe this is, what month is this?
March.
This is the March Savage X VIP Fenty box. As you guys know, it is a monthly subscription for Rihanna's uh, lingerie line set. Absolutely love it. I got the March one, and we are going to check it out. So, the first thing you get is the stockings. And these are super super sexy. And I love the color. I'm gonna put the names down below because I forgot to honestly write stuff down this time.
Oh, pretty.
I love this purple color
Oh, those are so
at the top.
cute.
Savage X50, and it's a full foot, and it goes to the thigh.
Love it.
So get your sexy on.
Love it.
We have the appliques that you can stick to yourself. Comes with an envelope. Stick them to your skin.
Oh. Okay. I see what you mean now.
Yes, you can stick them to your skin,
Oh,
and they are very very cute.
that is so cute. You can do a little tramp stamp.
Yes, very very cute.
Put it somewhere that you can watch it move.
Jigga, 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 jigga.
Yeah, that's cute. Like that.
Me too. All right.
Oh, wow. Y'all.
This is all one piece. And as you can see, the straps are adjustable in the back. The bra cups do have lining underneath to hold you in place.
It is.
And it's a
I
dress.
love the color. Look at
Yeah.
that. And it matches.
And with your stockings.
Okay.
And it has the keyhole in the back. Give it a little peekaboo.
All right, y'all. Look at this. Look at this hidden bra back here. Right?
So
They keep them. It's a bra in here, but you really can't tell it. That's nice. Wow. Even this. Look. Even the side. It's really a bra. Oh, what a nice way to camouflage a bra.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, and again, no scratchy stuff on your boobs. Love that. That's nice.
I absolutely love this. I love the color. It's one that I do not have. And once again, I was honest about my size. I went to my closet. I see what I have. I see what worked for me. And so this will be the perfect size. So I'm going to be home being sexy. Y'all do y'all.
I love that little pop of orange in here. It's so pretty. And the lavender and them. Oh, that's a really nice one. How much?
So this came to 50 bucks because that was how much my monthly credit was. So if you get the monthly credit, you can just use my credit for this. Other than that, it would have been 80 bucks without my credit. But either way, I would have got it.
Even at $80.
I would have got it. I love my stuff.
I
I love
love
my sexies.
lingerie. Yeah.
And please don't wait to wear your lingerie.
Yeah.
Don't wait for it to be sexy in your house by yourself.
Don't you gotta wait for no dude to put your stuff on?
Or chick. Just be sexy in the
Hey,
house.
do
Yeah.
you?
Y'all saw the one I wore for my taxes.
Hey.
You need to be sexy when you do your taxes.
Yeah, whatever. But yeah, just sometimes you want to feel good.
Yes, and this is gonna work.
You know, you guys have no idea what I have under my clothes sometimes. But, just want to feel good sometimes.
It's
It's
okay to,
okay.
and you walk a little different. When you know you sexy underneath, you walk a little different.
Yep, y'all.
You know, do you? But
Yeah.
I love this set. This is so pretty, and I cannot wait to wear it.
Beautiful. Love this. Love that shimmer.
Yes. So tell me, guys, what you think in the comments below. And like, comment, subscribe. And until then, with life, there's black and white. But with me and my mom, you guys get two shades of gray. Bye, guys.